owner here.
Okay, well, good morning, guys. I think we've got a great first stop for you. My name is Meg Brewer. I'm the Livestock and Natural Resources Agent here in the county. Carolyn is one of the trainers out here. Mike Wilson, the owner, is actually in Las Vegas at a horse show.
It's not quite as loud as it needs to be.
There we go. Mike Wilson is actually at a horse show in Las Vegas right now, but they have a very large Arabian horse operation here. It's about 100 acres, about 80 horses. Arabians are one of the first domesticated.
To educate them on the significant impact that agriculture has on our community. And I have this handout for anybody who hasn't gotten one. I've got some more copies here if you'd like one. Basically, I think most people are aware that citrus is really important to Florida, right?
Yay.
It's on our license plate. It's kind of the state symbol. When people think of Florida from up north, they think citrus. And there's a reason for that.
Two different varieties, both of them were developed at the University of Florida, so they're a Florida peach. One variety is Tropical Beauty, is the variety that's the earliest bloomer. It bloomed 2 weeks ahead of the U.S. Sun, which is the second variety, and that will be over on the west side or the east side. So when you go over there to look, you're going to see fewer peaches on the first 2.5 rows than you will on the east side. The reason is because the variety called Tropical Beauty bloomed 2 weeks earlier than the balance, than the other variety. And we had a very cold frost night in January, late January,